I see horses. That stuff was real loose. It's about as far as I was going to go with that one. That was a workout. My hands, the iron grip. Oh, that's a pretty one. That one looks like it's getting ready to pop. Yeah, this is all sandy area. This stuff isn't that as bad as that really soft sand over there. These Shinkos, they get you going, keep you moving. The 805s. The problem with being way out here in the middle of nowhere, if you get stuck and drop the bike and you're in a situation where you have to unbury the bike, it's just a pain in the ass. I don't want to work that hard today. Been seeing quite a few of these little purple ones blooming out here. That must be campsite 2. Nope, no campsite. Unless it's hidden back here. Nope. Maybe there's just one. Okay, onward. 101 again. Well, that's the nicest one I've seen yet. That one's really in bloom. Really nice. Yeah, I could see how this is hard when you have a fully loaded bike like those guys from Henderson. This would be tough with all that weight and all that weight up above. It's all up high. I know he said he dropped the bike once and he had to have his buddy come back and help him because there's no way. I know the feeling. Ooh, sand dunes. I was wondering when we come up to these sand dunes. That's what I call them. I don't know what they are. They look like sand. Very cool. A great wall. There's only one little breach though, right there. Actually, there's another one further down here, I think, that comes all the way down. Bit of air. It's been a while since Iron Butterfly's flown. Alright, we'll go check this one out. Oh, there's someone here. But not at this one. That one seems to be the good one. Or that's actually one camp, he's just further down that way. I don't want to bother him. And the road continues to Castellón. On the Rio. The Great Gap. Cool. We're about halfway on our tank, so we should be good, but you never know with these things. We'll just hope we get there. Then we either have to go to to Terlingua or go up the Panther. We'll see. Really be nice if they had a gas station at Castellón. Back to the Twin Towers. Butterfly's favorite. She likes to climb. We're running low on gas, so we're going to go this way. I still have to make it either to Panther Junction or to Terlingua. Got 3 bars. Well, there you go, guys. That was River Road East to River Road West. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I have a long series coming up. And please subscribe. That helps the channel grow. And we'll catch you on the next one. We'll see you tomorrow.